Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. So today I'll be showing you how I made my bonnet, two-ways bonnet, in which you can use or wear in two different ways. So here is the material I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using satin material. This is called satin, and then my tape, scissors and pin. So as you can see, I'm trying to measure the satin. So the material I'm going to be using 28 by 28 inch, and then I'm using two fabrics, which is the blue and black. So I'm going to do, after measuring it, I'm going to fold it into two parts, two equal parts, and then fold it again. So after getting the folding, I'm going to measure 13.5 inch all the way round. After getting my measurement, I'll go ahead and cut it out with scissors. That's the excess part with scissors. So here is how it is, fully measured. So I'm just going to cut it out with scissors, like you can see. So after cutting it, this is how it's going to look like. I'll open it and then it turned into a circle shape. So because it's two fabric I'm going to be using, this is the second one, the black color. I'm just going to lay it on the table and then put the blue one on top of it. After getting it, I'm used my pin to secure it, like you can see. After securing it, I'm just going to use my scissors to cut it out. That's the excess part. So after cutting it out, I'll be having two fabrics. So here is what it's looking like after cutting it out. So right now I'm having two fabric, one blue and one black. So after that, I'm just going to lay it down and then use the right side will be facing each other. That's the right side of each fabric will be facing each other, and then secure it with pin. After securing it with pin, I'm just going to go ahead and sew it with my machine. I'm going to sew it round but leave a small space in between. I'm just going to sew it round and then leave a small space, like you can see me demonstrating. So here is it. I'm trying to sew that part of it. I'm going to sew it round, but make sure you leave a small space in which you can turn the fabrics into the right part of it. So I'm done sewing it round. Like I said, you need to leave a small space, so which is what I did. After that, I'm going to press it down with my iron to make it smooth. After pressing it down, this is what it's looking like. So from that small space I left behind, I'm going to turn it over to the right side. After doing that, I'm still going to press it again with my iron. Here is what it's looking like after pressing it down. You can see the big difference, so it's advisable for you to iron your material after sewing each part. So here is me trying to measure the material. Here I have 2 inch, so I'm just going to measure 2 inch round the fabric. I'm just going to measure 2 inch round the fabric. I'm trying to make 2 lines. So the first one is 2 inch. I'm just going to sew it, like, to create the line straight so I don't make mistake when I'm sewing. So this is the first line. I'm going to sew it round. The first line, I'm going to sew it round. I'm going to close each and every part of it. I'm going to sew it round, and then this second line I'm doing is 1 inch. So from the 2 inch, I'm going to take out 1 inch from it and then also sew it round, but leave a small space in between the fabric. So like I said, I'm going to leave that part open. I'm going to leave that part open. Yes, as you can see, I'm going to leave that part open, but the first line, I'm going to sew it all the way round. Here is what is looking like after sewing. Like I said, the first line I close it all the way around, and then the second one I just have to open a small space in which I can pass my elastic band through. So here is me trying to press it down with my iron to make it smooth. After doing that, here is my elastic and my needle, my pin, sorry. So I'm just going to measure 17 inch of the elastic and then cut it out. After getting the elastic I want to use, I'm going to pass my pin through the elastic and then close it up. So from that space I open, I'm going to pass my elastic through it and then pass it all the way around till I come out from the other side. So guys, I hope you're enjoying the video. If you do, please give the video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Comment down below, let me know what you think about the video. I hope you enjoyed it. So at this point, I'm just going to sew the elastic band. Like you see, this is how it is, and then I'm going to just open it round and make it fit the bonnet. So here is what the bonnet is looking like. We are almost done. So I'm just going to look for that place that is open. Yeah, I found it. So this is it. I'm going to sew that particular side, you see. So here is it. I'm done sewing it, and this is what it looks like. Like I said, it's a two-way bonnet. You can wear it on the black side or on the blue side of the bonnet. Any other color you want to try, you can try any color. So I did pink and purple. I think I'm going to leave the picture below so you guys can see the colors I made. So I just decided to film this one so you guys can see how it's made. So here is how the bonnet is looking like. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching up to this time. I'll see you guys in my next video, but please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment and like, because it helps my video and helps my channel also. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you and stay blessed always. Mwah. Kiss kiss. Bye guys.